In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features of Hostinger's hPanel, giving you the insight you need to edit your website effectively. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user, these steps will guide you through with ease. First, let's start by visiting the Hostinger homepage. Head over to the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. This will take you to the main dashboard. It's your control center, where you can access a multitude of tools and features required for website management. Now that you're on the dashboard, your next task is to locate and click on Edit Website. This option can typically be found under the Websites tab. By clicking here, you open up a suite of editing tools that form the backbone of your site customization options. As you enter the editing mode, look towards the left-hand sidebar for an option marked as Elements. Clicking on it allows you to add or modify the various components that make up your web pages. Elements are the building blocks of your site, from text boxes to images, buttons, and more. Everything you need to flesh out your digital presence. Next, direct your attention just below the Elements tab to find the Pages option. This section provides an overview of the different pages that construct your website. Here you can reorganize, rename, and manage each page to ensure your site's navigation is as smooth and intuitive as possible for your users. Following this, right underneath, you'll find the Styles menu. Clicking on Styles allows you to tweak your site's theme, color schemes, and fonts, ensuring your aesthetic is just right. It's a fantastic way to enforce your brand identity and employ consistent design guidelines across every visitor's experience. Continuing down the list, click on the AI Tools tab. These innovative features help streamline your workflow by offering automated solutions, particularly useful for SEO optimization and content generation, thinking of improving search engine rankings or brainstorming blog topics. This is the place to be. Now, navigate to the Blog section, which is the hub for all your content-derived pages. Here you can manage your blog posts, schedule releases, or push your latest thoughts into cyberspace with ease. After diving into your blog, click on the Store section. If you're aiming to sell products or services, this area will become your go-to for setting up product pages, handling transactions, and monitoring sales analytics. It's all about turning your site into a thriving e-commerce platform. Finally, take a look at the More tab, a handy section full of additional features and plugins that extend your website's functionality to new heights. Whether it's connecting to other software or utilizing deeper integrations, this part is full of potential to explore. Thanks for following along, and now you're equipped to take full advantage of Hostinger's hPanel to edit and enhance your website.